got a new camera, and I was filming the opening of 3 through 8. And my camera was lagging, so I had to restart. So we are on 3. And these are just amazing. Look at this. These are clear, transparent stickers. I love these. It's going to be a lot of fun. And then there was Polaroids in here. That one's really cool. But there was Polaroids. Look. Polaroids. Isn't that cool? Okay, this is the Galentine Swap. Look at this. It says it's Monday through Friday. That is so cool. I'm going to have a lot of fun playing with these. So there was just all kinds of them. I mean, just all kinds of them. And they blew me away. The Polaroid especially got to me. Look at this. Look at this. Isn't that cool? I'm going to have a lot of fun with these. A lot of fun. My bucket list. Yep, these are going to be fun. The envelope's gorgeous. And look how she numbered them like an advent calendar. That's so cool. What fun this is. And then 4 trims. I love this. I see clusters written all over this. Clusters. Look at that. I might be using this. Yeah, I got several projects. These are typewriters. These are cool. I don't know why I'm bringing that up like that. I got a new camera, guys. Check this out. We can zoom. Oh, I think I gotta zoom out. Something about zoom. I don't know. No zoom. I don't know. Maybe I can't zoom. I was supposed to be able to move it. Interesting. Oh well, I just know it works. And it's a very good camera. Okay, so we got typewriters and books. Got all this cool stuff. That's very, to me, very steampunky. And in my first video that I put out, I think day before yesterday, I show you that's 4. Here's 5. And 5 are those heavy chipboard fussy cuts. I love them. I'm seriously going to make paper clips with those. 6. Uh-oh. What did I do here? Oh, look at 6. Talk about cool. This 6 is the filler for shakers. Confetti, I guess is what I want to call it. That's gorgeous. That's gorgeous. All right, let's see what 7 is. Look at all of these brads. Look. Oh, look at the little mitten brads. Oak leaves. Oh, look at the frog. Oh my gosh, there's a flower. Oh wow, there's a bus or a train car. There's just everything in here. Look at this leaf. Butterflies. Oh my gosh. Look at the stocking. You see it right here? Wow, wow. And then we got some beautiful, look at these. These are flowers somebody has taken the time to make and decorate. Wow, these are nice. These are good for journal covers. Okay, number 8. Okay, where are you, number 8? I know number 8 is in here. 7. There's 8. Oh, and 8 was 2. Look at that. Look at that. I love this stuff. Love it, love it, love it. And then she had a bag of this stuff. Oh, these went with number 3. Gosh darn it, I'm like not doing very good here. Look at these. These are incredible. These are absolute. I've never seen anything like these ever. First ever was to see these. And then 8 was more of the trim. 8 was more of the trim. See? Okay, I love this. And where did we leave off? Number 9. Number 9, and then we're going to stop here. Here's 14. We're going to stop here, and then on Valentine's Day, Saturday. Is Valentine's Saturday or yeah, Saturday, Valentine's Day, I will do 10 through 14. Because this was just such a huge, man, she really fixed me. She really did a good job. And like I said, I will put a description or her link in the description box, as well as Dahlia's, who was the host. Oh, we're on number 9. Who was the host of, oh no, look at this. Look at this. The brads. I'm dying over the brads, Jenny. This is like a leaf, and then the deer with the antlers, and then this is a diamond. These are just amazing. Just amazing. Now, I'm going to cover 10 through 14 on Valentine's Day. So you guys have to wait. Look, here's extra 14s. Here's 14. Here's extra 14. And then she had a 15. Oh, wow. She put a 15 in there. That's a bonus. Look. More of the beautiful, beautiful things. Oh my gosh, Jenny, you don't know how bad I'm fighting the urge just to tear into this. So, once I get it all done, what I'm going to do is take these out, and I'm going to put them in their own ephemera holder, or, you know, little something that I can use them with. Maybe what I'll do is a journal, a ring-bound journal for them. I don't know, but she put so many extras in there. I mean, she is completely over the top. I love you, Jenny. Thank you. And for all of those out there watching, I encourage you to get over to Jenny's channel and the design team channel in general, but also to get with the Facebook group, because we do a lot of this over there. There's Wishing Wednesday. Like I said in the first video, God, you guys can't believe how incredible this is to just touch. I love it. Somebody took a lot of time to make this. This is a beautiful notebook, Jenny. I would imagine Jenny did it, and then she just made it an altered notebook. But I love it. I absolutely love it. So, anyhow, get over to the Facebook group, Decorate Your Life, because there's a lot of this going on over there. And they're just starting to get rolling with some pretty good swaps and some stuff. So hop on over, and for sure check out Jenny's channel, Dahlia's channel, the hostess of the, go keyboard, the hostess of the swap. Make sure you check out her channel. All of their channels, they're all great. All right, guys, I will see you in the next video. Bye. Thank you so much for watching and being a part of my channel. I truly appreciate each and every one of you. If you enjoyed today's video, please share my channel with your crafty friends. It helps me to grow. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.